Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video we will explain you how you can create table of content in your Microsoft Word document. So let's say here we have some information in my Word document and I want to create a table of content. To create the table of content you have to add the headings in your Word document. For example, here we have one article and we want to create the table of document. You can see this is a heading. We can convert this to the heading. Select this, go to the home page and let's create this as a heading 1. Now this one also I want to create a heading 1, and similarly you can create the other headings also. Let's say I want to put one enter here and here also, and then I want to create this as a heading 2, so I can select here heading 2, this one, and similarly here also heading 2, and this one is also heading 2. Alright, now this is the advantage of the folder automation tool. So I want to create this as heading 1, and here you can create the heading 2, or let's create this as a bullet point. So I'm putting here the bullet points. You can select the bullet points whatever you want, so I'm selecting this one. Now for this line also we will make the heading 1, and now let's make these bullet points till here. So let's select this bullet point, and for this one also heading 1, and here we want to make again the bullet points, and for conclusion let's make the heading 1. Frequently asked question, let's make the heading 2. For each individual question you can make heading 3. So let's select this heading 3, this one also heading 3, this one heading 3, similarly here this one heading 3, this one heading 3, and the last question also. Alright, so for our entire document we have created heading 1, 2 or 3 according to our understanding. On the top you can put your title. Let's say here I am putting folder automation tool. Alright, now this one is the title, so I will select here title and I'll align this center. Okay, now we want to insert a table of contents, and to insert the table of content we will go to the reference, and here we have this table of content option. Let's click here, and from here you can choose any format of table of content available here. So let's say I'm selecting this second one, and as you click you can see one table of content has been generated, and for each heading it is available here, and this is the heading 2, heading 1 is available here, and this is heading 2, and this is heading 3. And if you will use control and click, it will take you to that particular heading. Alright, so we can quickly jump to another page. If you will make any changes in your page, for example here I want to make a small change. Let's say I'm putting what is the folder automation tool version 1.0. okay, now same should reflect here in my table of content also, but you can see it is showing the same. So what I can do, I can click on update table of content. Just click anywhere in the table of content and you will see this button, update table. As you click, see this small pop-up wherein it is asking you want to update page number only or update entire table. I'm saying update entire table. Click on OK. So here you can see that heading has been changed. Alright. Similarly, if you will make any change in any heading, accordingly that will be changed automatically. Friends, that is how you can create the table of content in your Word document. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.